Hi everyone! I wanted to do a Sailor Moon fashion video featuring t-shirts, sweaters, undergarments, shoes, and bags. First, let's take a look inside my closet. Let's start with the undergarments. These are all from the company Peach John. Their garments are very high quality and well made. This set comes with a bra, undies, and a skirt cover-up. I especially like the sailor collar. This set is really girly. It has bows and a little gold star here. The pattern has all three cats, Luna, Artemis, and Diana. Also, I've never worn any of these before, so they all have their tags. These are two bottoms with different patterns. This set is really similar to the first set, but the material is different, it's more see-through, and the bow attaches directly onto the bottoms. This set is kind of for working out. It has built-in cups inside. The bottoms are like shorts with a huge bow on the back. This next piece is one of my favorites. It is also made by Peach John, but it doesn't look like undergarments at all. It's quite thick, so I think you can wear it outside like cosplay. It is Ray's school uniform. Oh, this one is another one of my favorites, also made by Peach John. It has built-in cups and is supposed to be like bedroom attire. The material is really delicate and flowy. It's fun to spin around in it. They used a lot of material for this dress. The bottom is tiered. Mine is kind of wrinkled because it's been in storage for years. I organized the rest of my Sailor Moon tops by color. I think I'll just flip through them, and if there's something noteworthy, I'll mention it. Some of these are from Japan, some are from Hot Topic, some are from Taiwan, and some are from Hong Kong. Oh, I just want to quickly mention that I'm selling a bunch of items in my shop. They're all official merchandise. Please take a look. I'll put the link in the video description below. This is another one of my favorites. It is from Japan. I love the arm style and how flowy it is. The embroidery is good quality too. This sweater is very unique because the shoulders are exposed. The lace is so pretty. This is another one of my favorites. I have a lot of those, as you can probably tell. I love the illustration and the color on this one. It's a great quality hoodie. This t-shirt was only available at a convention. I forget which one, but I think it was from the Fizz booth. You saw this one before, but instead of white, it's navy. This one's also the same sweater from before, but now in gray instead of pink. Okay, you're probably tired of me saying this, but this is another one of my favorites. I love the beading on this sweater. It gives it texture and sparkle. This hoodie is from Ardeen. The moon on this shirt has gold foil, which is pretty unique for Hot Topic. Another convention-only shirt. I love this shirt from Hot Topic, but it's very see-through, so it's not really wearable. I used to buy so many of the shirts from Hot Topic, but I've slowed down now because there's just too many. This one's from Premium Bandai. The art is just beautiful. They're so dreamy. This hoodie is from Ardeen and it's really warm and soft. I have an extra that I wear. This cardigan is from Torrid. And you guessed it, it's another one of my favorites. The pattern is so unique. I love that it's not just screen printed on. It's really great quality and I wish I had a second one to wear. This sweater dress is from Premium Bandai. It's really soft and fluffy. It also comes with a really pretty brooch. This is made by a company called Fun. It's like an ugly Christmas sweater, but it's super cute and I don't think it's ugly at all. These jean shorts are from a company called Grace Gift. I love all the little details like this Luna and the cutie moon rod in the pocket. It goes all the way down inside, if you can see. The button is a crystal star, and there's a little moon embroidery here at the bottom. I got this scarf from EB Games a few years ago. I remember most of them were ripped already in the store, so I was lucky to find this one. It has Artemis and Luna on it. This scarf is from the Sailor Moon store in Japan. I actually got it in this year's New Year Lucky Bag. I have an unboxing video of it on my channel if you want to give it a watch. The contents are random, so what you get inside are a surprise. And then these are just blankets that I also hang in here. Let's do shoes next. These fuzzy Luna slippers are from a pop-up shop in Hong Kong many years ago now. These boots look like Uggs, and they're really soft inside. Look how sparkly the crystal star is on the back. These running shoes are pretty versatile. They can match most outfits. These Luna flats are one of my favorites. They're so fancy and you can definitely wear these to special events. The whole shoe is sparkly while the Luna head is velvety. The next few pairs of shoes are also my favorites. I'm just a shoe person in general. I love shoes. These heels are to die for. I love everything about them. There's so many details like the star crystal, the bottom gold bow, and the zipper crystal star is so sparkly. And then this pair gives a different vibe, but it's just as fancy. These slippers are so extra, I love them. They're holographic, iridescent, and the star glitter inside moves. I bought an extra pair just to wear. These rain boots are amazing. They look pretty heavy duty. The pink bows at the back give it a cute finish. At the back are some of the shoe boxes. Even the packaging is really pretty. And then finally, we're moving on to bags and wallets. I'm also a bag person, so I basically love all of these. This is a clutch, and it's awesome. The quality and construction are really good. The whole thing is velvety with some gold star beading and gold embroidery. This Diana purse is the cutest thing. I bought an extra that I use all the time. Everything about it is high quality. I love small purses that are still big enough to hold your phone and other essentials. And then here are two more small bags from the same maker, so the quality is also amazing. They all have straps that you can wear cross-body, but I store them inside the bags so they're not shown. This furry crisis bag is more like a toy and not something you can wear often. The quality is kind of cheap. This one here is a bit bigger and heavier. It's very structured and rigid, so it'll keep a shape. The moonstick lock is the best. The lining is really pretty too. I like that there are studs on the bottom. I got this backpack from Box Lunch. It's made by Loungefly. They make the cutest bags. I love all their Disney ones. I wish they were a bit cheaper though. The quality is really good and this is all embossed if you can see. This next bag is a clutch from a pop-up shop in Hong Kong. The quality is just average. It kind of feels like cardboard. But I got it anyway because the Chibi Moon Compact is so pretty. This is a Luna key pouch made with real leather. It has deep embossing. This small clutch is from Premium Bandai. It was quite expensive because it is also made with real leather. From the same set is this key pouch. This cute little bag is not very practical, but the metallic pink is just so pretty. This wallet is from one of the earlier collabs in the revival. It's bootlegged a lot. And then we have these Luna and Artemis bags, also from the earlier revival time period, so they were extremely popular. These were also bootlegged a lot. This bucket bag is from the same pop-up I mentioned earlier. There are little cosmic hearts embossed all over. The best part is this brooch. This is a little cosmetics pouch from the same shop. This card case is from the same set as before. And same with this wallet. This bag is well constructed. I love that it's round and it's a crystal star. The best part is this gold detail with 4 sparkly gems. It has a strap so you can wear it cross-body. These bags in the back are casual plastic ones, but I love the pattern. It's so girly and cute. I'm selling a tissue pouch with this design in my shop. Oh, I just found 2 more things, but they're old from the 2000s and are meant for kids. These are earmuffs, and this is a scarf. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun looking through my fashion collection.